Devon is known for its dramatic coastline, featuring high cliffs, hidden coves, and expansive beaches. The region also offers picturesque villages and towns, which attract tourists with their historic charm and unique character.
The beaches of Combe Martin in Devon are picturesque spots known for their natural beauty and tranquil surroundings. The main beach is sheltered by a breakwater. This solidly built path provides protection from the waves while allowing for safe walks close to the waterline. Walking along it, one can admire the beauty of the turbulent sea and feel the sea breeze on their face, which is a unique experience.
The beach also features entrances to an old silver mine, reminding visitors of the region's rich mining history. During low tide, the beach reveals wide expanses of sand and numerous rock pools, inviting exploration of marine life.
The path runs along the beach, offering magnificent views of Combe Martin Bay and its surrounding cliffs and hills. It is an excellent place for peaceful walks, photography, and enjoying the natural beauty of the coast, regardless of the time of day.
Broadsands Beach is known as one of the secret beaches in the region. It is hidden and somewhat harder to access, which makes it less frequented and enjoyed for its tranquility and natural beauty. Broadsands Beach is located near the village of Combe Martin and is famous for its picturesque views, clear water, and surrounding cliffs.
Broadsands Beach has its stories of pixies and other small creatures from folklore. It is said that pixies inhabit rocky crevices and caves in the nearby cliffs. According to legend, these creatures can aid fishermen in difficult situations but also tempt them to leave the safety of the shore. Natural light phenomena. Broadsands Beach is known for unusual light phenomena that can sometimes be seen at night. These are mysterious lights appearing over the water, which locals call sea lanterns. Scientists believe they might be bioluminescent marine organisms, but the legend says they are the spirits of smugglers signaling their arrival.
Watermouth Valley Camping Park is a scenic and family-friendly campsite set in a lush, sheltered valley near the picturesque village of Watermouth. Nestled among rolling hills and surrounded by natural beauty, the park offers a tranquil retreat with easy access to both the rugged coastline and the charming countryside.
Watermouth Harbour is a charming bay located in the northern part of Devon County. The main attraction of Watermouth Harbour is its picturesque dock and marina, which provide excellent mooring facilities and offer breathtaking views of the surrounding landscapes to both tourists and locals alike. The dock serves as the heart of this charming place, drawing sailing enthusiasts and those seeking seaside tranquility. Round Tower in Watermouth Harbour is part of the historical complex known as Watermouth Castle. This round-shaped defensive tower stands by the sea, near the charming Watermouth Harbour Bay in Devon, England. Built in the 19th century, the tower was originally used for defensive purposes and is now part of the castle's tourist attraction. Devon is known for legends of pirate shipwrecks and hidden treasures that are said to have sunk in the nearby waters in the 17th century. Stories claim that these ships carried immense amounts of valuables that were hidden before the crews perished. Modern technologies and the interest of treasure hunters and divers attract them to this picturesque location, where searches are regularly conducted. Although most of these efforts end in failure, the mysterious allure of Devon continues to fascinate and inspire explorers.
Nearby, you'll find the impressive Watermouth Castle, dating back to the 19th century, which is a popular tourist destination. The castle not only offers fascinating exhibitions and insights into the region's history, but also boasts stunning views of the sea and the Devon countryside.
Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel.